So look here. I'm gonna sneak up on this thing. When I edit it, I'm gonna put Jaws music to it. It'd be cool. It'd be really cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the one and only Kentucky Yankee, as most of you well know. We're getting ready to do a little mud mower video today, which will be cool. I haven't done one for a long time, and I do have a message for the mud mower community out there. Bow down! Bow down to your king! Bow down in fear and trembling. Oh, the Kentucky Yankee's back! Well, of course I'm back! And I'm still in charge. I'm still MMA president, and don't forget it. The time has come to finally bring the mud mower side by side out of hibernation, guys. She's been sleeping far too long. It's time now to dig it out of the corner of the shop, get it out here, get it fired back up so we can do some more work to it, and go on a few romps. Gee willikers, guys, do you think that was a little bit too rough? I hate to hurt anybody's feelings out there in the mud mower community. You know, the folks that build mud mowers and stuff. For over a year, I guess. For those of you that don't know, this was a 400 Polaris four-wheeler, a 425, something like that. I got it from the junkyard for $100, cut it up, welded this frame around it, and then we moved and changed locale. So I'm just now getting back to it. I'm going to stick a battery in it, some gas in it. Let's see if we can get it fired up. All I have is chainsaw gas, so she might smoke a little bit. Here we go. Key on. Choke on. All systems go. And, oh, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that light. She lit up. Ah, look at there. Dash is lit up. Let's try it. And nothing, but I think that's the wrong. Ah, all right, we lost our throttle. Let me show you. And sorry guys, it's raining again outside. It seems like it's always raining when we make videos. Anyways, I had these vice grips holding this throttle cable on right here. So I was unaware of that. Let me get that fixed and we'll try and start it again. May take a while for the fuel to get from the front all the way to the back. So I'm going to encourage it with a little jump start. You see there? Try her again. Oh. That's all right. That's all right. All right, it's been so long I forgot. I'll just stick my hand over the carburetor. That'll suck the fuel up to it. You smell that? Petro getting in the carburetor. She's getting ready to fire up and stay running out, boys. Oh, yeah! There she goes! Oh, yeah! Woo! Look at that! The sweet sound of a legend coming back to life. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, boys, let's rev her up and see what she does. First time in over a year. Here we go. Oh, she puked out. One more time. Come on, girl. Ah. Let's try a little something different. Sometimes you gotta finesse the women, you know? Perhaps I don't know how. All right, guys, she's always done this. We're gonna get one good rev out of this thing before we call it quits. Oh, yeah! Man, oh man, that is sweet. She runs just as good as she did when I parked her over there in the corner. I think I better check the antifreeze. I don't know if it has any in it. Well, that's it for this one, guys. I was just making a quick video for you to let you know what we're getting ready to get into, and I'm wanting to get this thing going again. If you'll recall, I so foolishly, accidentally, hooked the rack and pinion in backwards, so when you steer it left, it steers right. When you steer it right, it steers left. And honestly, that's not my fault. It's Hoogle's fault. My best friend, who apparently doesn't know left from right. Whatever. Anyways, whatever. Guys, this is what we're going to be working on here just the next couple episodes of the Kentucky Yankee. I hope you'll join me throughout this fun adventure, and we'll see you next time. Just a quick reminder, guys, just because the government shut down doesn't mean the MMA is shut down. The MMA is never shut down. The MMA never sleeps. And if I catch you doing something wrong, you're going to jail.